Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that viewers, some pictures shared on social media, which you can see on your screen. About these pictures, it is being claimed that these drone identification plate was discovered in the Marsa and Haro area by Tigray Defense Force. A Turkish manufacturer can be identified from this. The MAML written on the fragment label appears to refer to a laser guide bomb produced in Turkey and able to be delivered from unmanned aerial vehicles as well as from aircraft. And it also suggests that it was of very recent manufacturer, May 2021. And Turkey and Ethiopia have been strengthening their relations in recent months, just as ties with the United States soared. In February 2021, Turkey's Foreign Affairs Minister visited Addis Ababa. Then, in August, Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed paid a return visit to Ankara. He signed new cooperation agreements with President Tayyip Erdogan. This included a fresh military financial agreement. On the other hand, according to information being received from several Tigray sources, Tigray Defense Force soldiers are now heading towards Samira airport. Viewers, Ethiopian drones appear to be failing and the Tigray Defense Force is now heading toward Samira airport in Afar region. And the Tigray Defense Force crossed Colonel Abiy Ahmed's defense forces on the Afar Tigray border, where they captured the town of Abala this week. And now the Tigray Defense Force is moving to other areas in the Afar region. And there are reports from several sources that heavy fighting is going on near the airport in Samira, and the Tigray Defense Force is trying to take over the airport. But little is known about the report. Meanwhile, Ethiopian military drones are failing and facing major challenges in the mountains of Amhara. These drones used by Ethiopia do not have a direct satellite link. The target images of the drones taken by the satellite and directed at the enemy at the time of the bombing, which Ethiopia does not have at all. And world weapons experts say the Ethiopian military is failing to use Muhajir 6 drones without knowledge. And although these drones can carry weapons, they do not have the direct satellite links that superpower use. Instead, they are confined to a line of sight flying more than 100 miles from Earth's control station. Now you can figure out why the Tigray Defense Force wins the war against the Ethiopian National Defense Force. Viewers, mountain weather, bad weather, and etc. are blocking the target area of drones without the knowledge of the Ethiopian army. And the Tigray Defense Force have drawn up a plan to attack the Ethiopian army's GPS using anti-drones and then attack bases. Viewers, the exact locations of the targets is difficult except for the visual identification that is confusing the Ethiopian army that does not know how to use modern drones. Viewers, and President Isaias Afwerki has sent yesterday on behalf of the people and government of Eritrea and on his own behalf a message of warmest congratulations to Dr. Abiy Ahmed on his re-election as Prime Minister of the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia. In his message, President Isaias underlined Eritrea and Ethiopia have gone a long way in past 3 years to turn chapter of confrontation and hostility and lay groundwork for robust peace and friendship between the two sisterly countries, with its positive implications to wider Horn of Africa region. President Isaias further stated, I trust and am hopefully that the trajectory the two countries have embarked on will be further enhanced and consolidated in the period ahead in spite of efforts by negative external forces of regression that seems bent on turning back the clock of history. So viewers, so far is the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.